Hi everyone, welcome to Body Balance TV. In this video, you're going to know the top 10 benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has been a beauty and wellness secret for centuries, revered by ancient civilizations for its myriad of uses. This oil has a rich history. But did you know it holds even more benefits than you might think? Beyond its traditional uses, modern science has uncovered a plethora of applications that can enhance your daily life in unexpected ways. If you're looking to transform your health, beauty routine, and even household care, stay tuned as we dive into the top 10 benefits of castor oil. Whether you're aiming for radiant skin, luscious hair, or a cleaner home, castor oil has something to offer. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for my comprehensive ebook, where I share even more insights, tips, and DIY recipes using this versatile oil. This ebook is packed with detailed information, step-by-step guides, and personal anecdotes that will help you make the most out of every drop of castor oil. Let's get started on this journey to uncover the hidden gems of castor oil and how it can revolutionize your lifestyle. With so many benefits waiting to be discovered, castor oil is truly a game changer. Let's dive in and explore how this ancient oil can bring modern solutions to your everyday life. First up, castor oil is a powerhouse for hair growth. Thanks to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, castor oil can help stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair or just want to add some volume, a weekly castor oil treatment can work wonders. Regular use of castor oil can also help reduce hair breakage and split ends, making your hair look healthier and more vibrant. So if you're looking to boost your hair's health and appearance, give castor oil a try. You might be surprised by the results. Castor oil isn't just for your hair, it's also a fantastic moisturizer for your skin. Derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, it has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Its thick, rich consistency makes it perfect for locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated. It penetrates deep into the skin layers, providing intense hydration. This deep penetration helps to soften and smooth the skin, making it feel supple and rejuvenated. This oil is especially beneficial for those with dry or flaky skin, helping to restore your natural glow. Its emollient properties soothe and calm irritated skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Use it as an overnight treatment or add it to your favorite moisturizer for an extra boost. This versatile oil can also be used on other dry areas of your body, making it a must-have in your skincare routine. Castor oil is also known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It's been traditionally used to treat sore muscles, inflamed joints, and even minor skin irritations. By massaging a small amount into the affected area, you can help reduce pain and inflammation naturally. The oil penetrates deeply into the skin, providing relief from discomfort and promoting healing. For best results, use it regularly as part of your wellness routine. Experience the natural benefits of castor oil for inflammation relief. Did you know that castor oil can also support digestive health? When used externally, it can be massaged onto the abdomen to help stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. It's a natural and gentle way to support your digestive system. By applying castor oil and using a warm compress, you can enhance its effectiveness. This method has been used for centuries to promote better digestive health and overall well-being. So if you're looking for a natural remedy, give castor oil a try and see the benefits for yourself. Castor oil packs, when applied to the skin, are believed to enhance the function of the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in our immune response. Regular use can potentially boost your immunity and overall health. By supporting the lymphatic system, castor oil helps in the removal of toxins and promotes better circulation. This, in turn, can lead to a stronger immune system, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Incorporating castor oil packs into your routine, along with a healthy lifestyle, can significantly improve your body's natural defenses. Castor oil has impressive antimicrobial properties, making it a go-to remedy for minor cuts, wounds, and even fungal infections like athlete's foot. Its natural healing properties can help prevent infection and speed up recovery. When applied to the skin, castor oil creates a protective barrier that helps to keep bacteria and fungi at bay. This makes it an excellent choice for treating a variety of skin issues, ensuring that your skin stays healthy and infection-free. Contrary to what you might think, castor oil can actually help treat acne. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it effective in reducing pimples, while its moisturizing qualities prevent the skin from drying out, keeping it balanced. When applied regularly, castor oil can help reduce the appearance of acne scars and prevent future breakouts. Its natural properties work gently on the skin, making it suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. For best results, use castor oil as part of your nightly skincare routine. Simply apply a small amount to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. You'll wake up to clearer, healthier skin. Looking for thicker lashes and brows? Castor oil is a natural solution. By applying a small amount daily, you can enhance the growth and fullness of your eyelashes and eyebrows, giving you a bolder look without needing makeup. Consistent use of castor oil can lead to noticeable improvements over time. It's an affordable and easy way to achieve the lush lashes and brows you've always wanted. Just remember to be patient and diligent with your application and you'll see the results. Castor oil is also great for reducing the appearance of stretch marks and scars. The rich fatty acids in the oil penetrate deep into the skin, helping to heal and rejuvenate damaged tissue over time. Regular application of castor oil can significantly improve the texture and tone of your skin, making stretch marks and scars less noticeable. With consistent use, you can see visible results, leaving your skin looking smoother and healthier. Finally, castor oil isn't just limited to personal care, it's also incredibly useful around the house. This versatile oil can be used to polish wood, lubricate kitchen tools, and even as a natural cleaner. Additionally, it's great for removing sticky labels and lubricating door hinges. With so many uses, castor oil is a must-have for any home. Now that you've seen the incredible benefits of castor oil, why not dive deeper? Castor oil has been a staple in natural health and beauty routines for centuries. My ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Castor Oil, is your comprehensive resource for everything you need to know about this powerful oil. Inside, you'll find detailed DIY recipes for creating your own beauty and health products at home. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today. By doing so, you'll gain access to exclusive content that will help you unlock the full potential of castor oil. Start your journey to better health and beauty today. Don't wait. Take the first step towards a healthier, more beautiful you now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.